New images from Chinese social media on 8 December show Z-10Me attack helicopters flying with what appear to be CM-502 precision strike missiles. The pairing suggests a shift inside the PLA Ground Force toward longer-range engagement options that could complicate regional threat planning. On the 8th of December, new images circulating on Chinese social media showed Z-10Me attack helicopters flying with a previously unseen air-to-surface missile configuration. The helicopters, believed to belong to a unit identified as the 76th Army Aviation Brigade, carried green missiles closely matching the dimensions and layout of the CM-502. This appearance provides the clearest indication so far that the CM-502 family is being integrated on China's main attack helicopter, significantly changing the platform's engagement envelope. The development is relevant because it suggests a move from traditional, short-range anti-tank weapons toward longer-range precision strike options within the PLA Ground Force's aviation units. The pairing of Z-10Me and CM-502 signals an incremental but important evolution in China's land-based strike capabilities. The CM-502 is marketed as a lightweight, short-range air-to-surface weapon for medium and large UAVs as well as manned aircraft. Weighing about 40 kilograms and measuring roughly 1.49 meters in length, it can be carried in multiple rounds on a single hardpoint, making it suitable for compact platforms such as the Z-10Me without heavily penalizing payload or endurance. The missile uses an inertial and satellite navigation backbone combined with a data link and interchangeable seekers, including TV, non-refrigerated imaging infrared and semi-active laser options. With an advertised maximum effective range of up to around 25 kilometers and a circular error probable on the order of 1 to 3 meters when employing a terminal seeker, the system is designed to strike small, high-value tactical targets rather than deliver area effects. Chinese promotional material indicates that the CM-502 can be fitted with different warheads, notably a blast fragmentation option for soft targets and a semi-armor-piercing version for vehicles, hardened shelters or small vessels. The appearance of the CM-502 on Z-10Me also carries implications for export markets. The Z-10Me has been promoted internationally as a candidate attack helicopter for partners in Asia, the Middle East and Africa.